Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. After new reservation policy came into existence, many questions came from OBC and EWS category candidates. Since they had not filled EWS and OBC, rather they had applied as general category candidates, knowing that there is no reservation in All India quota. But now they need to change the category to get benefit in OBC category or in EWS category. They have the certificate, but assuming there is no benefit in All India quota, they mark it as general category. Okay, so what is the solution for them? Okay, so that we will discuss in this video. And if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, and you hit the like button and press the bell button as well, so that you receive the notification as soon as we post the video. The description has got three types of ebooks: deemed universities, open state, and DNB counseling process ebooks. You can purchase them and you can join the Telegram group link. There is paid counseling, and the paid counseling services covers counseling for INI-CET, DNB, for government and private medical colleges, All India quota, as well as state level counseling, and your open state counseling process as well, private colleges and deemed universities. So for all these processes, all these counseling processes, we provide you all the nitty gritty and detail level information: how you do the choice filling, where you should register, and there is where you should not register, as there is no advantage in getting registered for particular stage. And when you register for particular states, you need to pay a security deposit amount, so you need to take decision wisely. So all these suggestions, and how you can strategize your counseling process so that you can get best possible seat and your desired branch in least possible tuition fee. So that's the goal of paid counseling service. So you can avail it. You can call to the number 9319128677. This is also our WhatsApp number, so you can send WhatsApp message as well. So what is the solution for OBC and EWS candidates who got the reservation but mistakenly they had not filled their respected category? So now NB will reopen the edit window. See, they had opened edit window long back, 4 months back, and they released the admit card also. And then decision came from health ministry. That time the health minister was Dr. Hasvardhan. That examination, it came from basically PMO, that examination is going to be delayed by 4 months. And during that 4 months, new centers got added. This reservation policy came into existence. So there is a very genuine right from the students to ask to reopen the edit window, particularly for category change as well, and your city examination city change, because they added new centers. Okay, and in case if you want to pressurize NB, you must send emails to NB, and you ask your friends, your colleagues, wherever you are working, to send emails. You send lot of emails to NB mentioning that they need edit window to be reopened to change their category, and you mention all your problem to change the examination center, so that you change the category and you get the benefit out of it, and they can release the admit cards where you have the proper category mentioned, so that there is no issue when you go for the counseling process. You get the advantage in All India quota. So that's the purpose of this video, and requesting you for your own benefit that you must send emails, and you get emails sent by other friends, even they don't belong to like all India quota. Just ask them to send him emails. More number of emails get bombarded in their in NB email box, more chances that they will consider reopening the edit window soon. Okay, so that's it from my side in this video. And if you have any kind of question, want to discuss how we can help you out through the paid counseling services. Since you are paying money, you have the right to ask, so you can call us. So thanks for watching and have a great day, and all the best for your preparations. Get a good score and then come to us. We will definitely get the best possible out of all the possibilities in your rank. So thanks for watching again and have a nice day.